What is going on, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to TechVibe. If you have been following Apple's release cycle recently, you might have noticed a glaring omission in their hardware lineup. The M5 chip is already out in the wild. The latest MacBook Pros have it, the iPad Pro is crushing benchmarks with it, and yet Apple's most universally loved, stealthy little desktop powerhouse, the Mac Mini, is sitting quietly in the corner, still waiting for its upgrade. Well, buckle up, because the M5 Mac Mini is no longer just a distant rumor. It is right around the corner, and the latest leaks pointing to what Apple has packed inside this tiny 5x5-inch box are absolutely mind-blowing. We are talking about next-generation on-device AI capabilities, a completely revamped GPU architecture, and enough raw processing power to make high-end PC towers sweat. In today's video, we are diving deep into everything you need to know about the highly anticipated Apple Mac Mini M5 and M5 Pro. From the leaked specs and the shocking reasons behind its delayed release, to the expected pricing and why this might just be the greatest value proposition in the entire tech industry today. You do not want to miss a single second of this breakdown. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, grab your favorite drink, and let's get right into it. Before we talk about the incredible brains of this new machine, we have to talk about the body. Back in late 2024, Apple did something we had been begging them to do for over a decade. They completely redesigned the Mac Mini. They shrank it down to a staggeringly small 5x5-inch footprint, making it 1/20th the size of a standard PC desktop, while finally giving us front-facing ports. If you were hoping for another massive redesign this year, I have to set the record straight. The M5 Mac Mini is going to inherit this exact same chassis. But that is actually a fantastic thing. The thermal architecture inside that compact enclosure is an engineering marvel, and it is perfectly designed to handle the increased power efficiency of the new M5 silicon. So, if the design is already locked in and the M5 chips are already out in the world, where on earth is the new Mac Mini? Why didn't we see it at the major Apple events earlier this year? The answer comes down to a massive global supply chain bottleneck. According to the latest industry reports, the delay is directly tied to a severe global shortage of high-speed unified memory. Because the tech industry is currently in the middle of a massive artificial intelligence boom, the demand for fast memory has skyrocketed. Apple is reportedly holding back the desktop rollout to ensure they can secure enough memory chips to meet consumer demand, especially since they are completely phasing out the old 8GB standard. This delay is frustrating, yes, but it also proves that Apple is refusing to compromise on the baseline specs for their most accessible desktop. Let's talk about what is actually going on inside this machine, starting with the base M5 chip. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3rd-generation 3nm process, known as N3P, the M5 is an absolute monster of efficiency. The multi-threaded CPU performance is up by around 15% compared to the previous generation, which is great. But the GPU is where the real magic happens. Apple has completely redesigned the graphics engine. Overall, GPU performance is up by a staggering 30%, and hardware-accelerated ray tracing is up to 45% faster. If you are a casual gamer, a 3D artist, or someone who works in video rendering, this is a massive leap forward. Apple is finally taking desktop gaming seriously. And having this level of graphical fidelity in a box that fits in the palm of your hand is nothing short of revolutionary. But if you are a serious professional, a high-end video editor, a music producer with hundreds of tracks, or a software developer compiling massive code bases, you are waiting for the M5 Pro. The M5 Pro introduces what Apple calls the Fusion architecture. Unlike traditional chips, this design effectively bonds two dies into a single system on a chip using advanced packaging. We are expecting up to 18 CPU cores and up to 20 GPU cores on the Pro model. It will also support up to 64 GB of unified memory running at a blistering memory bandwidth of over 300 GB per second. This isn't just a spec bump. It is a complete paradigm shift for small form factor computing. You are getting Mac Studio level performance in a footprint so small you can throw it in your backpack. Now, we absolutely cannot talk about the M5 generation without addressing the elephant in the room: Apple Intelligence. The entire M5 lineup has been built from the ground up to dominate AI workloads. The new 16-core neural engine delivers peak GPU AI compute that is over 4 times faster than what we saw on the previous generation. Large language model prompt processing is astronomically faster. What does this mean for you? It means you can run complex, heavy AI models completely on device. No cloud lag, no monthly subscription fees, and most importantly, complete privacy because your data never has to leave your desk. The Mac Mini is going to become the ultimate AI development box for creators and coders alike. To support all of this power, Apple is also giving the connectivity a massive bump. For wireless connections, we are expecting the introduction of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. Wi-Fi 7 is a total game changer, offering dramatically lower latency and faster wireless network speeds, which is perfect for a machine without a built-in display where you might be streaming high-resolution content wirelessly over your local network. When it comes to the physical ports, the beloved front-facing layout with two USB-C ports and a headphone jack will remain untouched. On the back, the base M5 Mac Mini will stick with Thunderbolt 4, but the M5 Pro model is heavily rumored to feature Thunderbolt 5. This upgrade pushes data transfer speeds up to an insane 120 gigabits per second in boost mode, allowing you to connect multiple high-resolution displays and ultra-fast external storage arrays without a single bottleneck. So, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the price. For years, the Mac Mini has been celebrated as the most affordable entry point into the macOS ecosystem. However, the days of the ultra-budget $599 Mac Mini are likely behind us, because Apple has established 16 gigabytes of unified memory and a 512 gigabyte solid-state drive as the absolute minimum standard for this AI era. The entry price is expected to rise. Analysts are predicting the base M5 Mac Mini will start between $699 and $799. But honestly, even at $799, when you factor in the sheer power of the M5 chip, the baseline memory, and the lightning-fast storage, it remains an incredible deal. It outperforms Windows desktop towers that cost twice as much and draw 4 times the amount of electricity. So, when can you actually get your hands on one? With the memory supply chain slowly stabilizing, all signs point to a launch in the late fall of 2026. If you are currently sitting on an older Intel model, an M1 or even an M2 Mac Mini, this is the upgrade generation you have been patiently waiting for. The massive jump in graphical performance, the Thunderbolt 5 connectivity, and the unparalleled on-device AI capabilities make the upcoming M5 Mac Mini a truly future-proof investment that will easily last you for years to come. That wraps up everything we know so far about the upcoming Apple Mac Mini. M5 and M5 Pro, are you planning to upgrade to this tiny titan when it drops? Or are you holding out for something else in the Apple ecosystem? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. I read every single one of them. If you found this video helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on all the latest tech news, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to TechVibe. Turn on those notification bells so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, keep chasing the future, and I will see you in the next one.